See, everything is there for our enjoyment. It depends on our consciousness. Nothing is good or bad. It is the person who is holding it. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. This is a materialistic point of view that, the animals are better than those brahmacharis because they have sex, but brahmacharis cannot. And some actually we had experience while book distribution is going on. They say, God created the genitals to enjoy. Why you don't want to enjoy? Then why did He create it? So this is the argument. You are not using what God gave you. That means you are disrespecting God. See their argument, how they are coming into it. So there is another use for semen. That's why urdhvareta. Urdhvareta means one who does not engage in sex life. He can actually bring the semen up to his head, and he becomes so sharp in intelligence and memory. Therefore, there were people on those times, when they used to practice Naishthik Brahmachari, they were called Shrutadhara. Shrutadhara means once they hear. Shruta means to hear, dhara means to hold. Once they hear it, they hold in their memory forever. And that's it. They will never forget. Like Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Naishthik Brahmachari. Whatever he read once, he will never forget his entire life. Once only he had to read. At 7 years old, when he was a 7-year-old boy, he memorized the entire Bhagavad Gita, 700 verses. Not only memorized, he can give lectures, elaborate lectures on each of the verses. 7 years old boy. Shrutadhara. So of course he is more than any Shrutadhara or anything. He is empowered, he is coming from Krishna Loka. But actually that was the standard of that's why there was no writing. There was no pustak. Everything was in the mastak. Mastak means head. Pustak means book. So just imagine the amount of intelligence. So there is another use for the semen if you hold. Urdhvareta. Urdhva means up. So that's why it is very important, brahmachari life. See, everything is there for our enjoyment, just like tobacco. You may ask why Krishna created tobacco then. He's also vegetarian only. Leaf. So the thing is, it's intoxicant. So there are things which Krishna has given us which can be used for material or spiritual. Just because He has given everything, He has given animals also to eat, right? Why we should not eat then? Those who want to eat, they can eat if they want. But we have to restrain ourselves. Why then there is marriage? If the genital is just to be used because God has given, then use it everywhere. Nah? They tried having sex with animals also, and that's why they got AIDS into the human society. They had tried to have sex with monkeys or something, and the AIDS came into human society. So they tried to use because they had. So what happened? So although Krishna has given, there is a proper use for it. Dharma aviruddha kamo bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshambha. There is a proper way how to use everything. Just because one has a knife, go around cutting people, that's not the way. So anyway, the point is that everything can be used or misused. Any power is dangerous if it is misused. But if it is used, it is of a great advantage. Sannyasis should not travel. But the traveling Prabhupada used for his advantage, for preaching. Everything has, it's a two-sided coin. So which side we want to be, it depends on our consciousness. Nothing is good or bad. It is the person who is holding it. If he is bad, then that will be used for a bad purpose. It is just a tool after all.